Hi everyone, so this video is about the HTML output tag, which is a tag that allows us to display some calculation inside a form element. So it works only inside a form element, and it links to two or several input elements and perform some simple calculation. So we have two input of type number here, and we have an output tag. Actually, I want to place even a bottom. Okay, so to link the inputs and the output, we make use of the IDs of the inputs. So we define two IDs, and then inside the output we first define a name, so that we can grab him in JavaScript, and we also define a for attribute which contains the two IDs that we want to link it to. So this is it. We have these two IDs, but it could be 7 if there are 7 inputs, and now we can just perform the calculation with inside the form attribute using the onSubmit event. So we can place output.name because the output.value, excuse me, because output is the name of the output, and value is the value that we will assign it to, and we are going to calculate the parse integer of we grab the ID, so 1.value, and same for 2. Okay, so let's now see the result. Okay. You have seen this fix probably. Anyway, the form has refreshed because we have to refresh every form to prevent the default behavior of a form every time we submit it. So as you can see now, the form is working fine. This output tag is quite useful, yes, for to shorten some basic calculation that we can do in line. What probably most of us have done before knowing the output tag, at least means what I did, was using the div, and I want to show you the difference between using a div to display the result or the output tag. So I have this other form here just below it, and is using a div tag despite of the output tag, and to make it work using an inline JavaScript would be a mess, because we cannot have this linking thing, that we have this for, and we link with the ID, and everything can work simply with one line of code. We have to use the script tag. Basically, you have done this, I think, 10,000 times, so I don't need to explain it. You have to do this, and then the form will work perfectly fine, exactly as the one with the output tag. As you can see, if you are going to do the calculations with the output tag not in line, actually the output tag doesn't give you anything more than a div tag, but not even anything less, and also semantically is more readable the output tag than a div tag. You can read it better. So once you know that there is this possibility, you definitely stick with an output tag, even though the difference is not particularly relevant. So to recap, to create an inline event handler inside a form, the output tag works best.